This conference will now be recorded.
Hi everyone. So in this video, we will see how to use the Astro Excel dashboard and what are the requirements to be done for using the Excel dashboard. So first, when you open the Excel, first requirement is that we have to have Office 365. For that, how to check? Just go to click file, go to account, and then see Microsoft subscription product Microsoft 365. This is one requirement, very important requirement for using the Excel dashboard. In case if you don't have the Excel dashboard, you can try to buy one from this website, which is buykeysonline.com/shop. Okay, so you can just let me just put it in a very big thing so that you'll be able to see this. So buykeysonline.com/shop. So you can buy this and you'll be getting an email on that username, password, and all. The instructions will be given in the email only. So this is not my website, it is available there. If you want to buy original software from Microsoft, it may cost you around 10 times, which is around 6,500 rupees per year. Okay, so it's okay that we can buy this. It's not a pirated one. At least you can work for 9-10 months without any problem. It costs only 549 rupees. Okay, so you can just look for Microsoft 365, Office 365, lifetime one device. Sometimes it gives for 5 devices also. You can just select whatever you wanted. Just be sure you're buying Office 365. That's very important. And next thing is that when you go open the file, before opening the Excel file, what you have to do is just go to file, go to options, and then you go to the customize ribbon. Just ensure that developer ribbon, this button is checked. It will be normally unchecked actually. Click check until okay. Okay, this is another thing. Next step you should do. After that, what you do is again go to file and options. So you've done the customize ribbon and then selected that developer button. Now click trust center, click trust center settings, and then go to ActiveX settings. There click this option save mode, then click this enable. Wherever it is there, just click this one. Then go to macro settings, click this one, macro VBA macros, and then click trust access to VBA project. Then go to protected view. Will be tick mark will be there. Remove the tick mark here and remove all the tick marks everywhere if it is there any. Go to message bar. Click this enable trust center login. Click this and then select this option here. And then go to external content. Click this option, first option. Here also first option. Here also first option. This is what you have to do. Then go to file block settings. Nothing to be done. Then privacy options. Nothing to be done. That's it. Till okay. Till okay. So once you do this, you are ready to use Excel dashboard. After that, you have to do one more thing. So we have done all these things. Then go to this website asap-utilities.com. This also I just try to put in a big words so that you'll be able to know. I'll just click this. So asap-utilities.com. Go to this website. So here go to download ASAP utilities recommended. Click this. Then you'll be having two options actually. One is home and then business. Click for home edition. It is free only, no price required to pay. Just click this download option. Then you'll be downloading the software actually for this. Download, just save this. Before installing this, try to just exit the Excel actually, which is not required to be open while installing. Don't save. So once you see the download is done, then you can install this. Click this. So it's open English. Okay. Select. Then next. Then select home projects. Next. Then accept the agreement. Next. Till next. Then here next. Don't create a startup folder. Next. Then 32-bit, 64-bit. Next. This option. Anyone who uses a computer, add a company. Okay, this is not required actually. You can just remove this. Click next. And then click install. Once you click install, everything is done. It will start Microsoft Excel. Click finish. So once you click finish, the Excel will open after installing. Once installation is done for Excel, so click blank open file. You can see ASAP utilities. So this is installed and your all setting is done. Excel is ready to start working. Now let us open the file. What I have sent to you. Just this is a file what I have sent to you. Now currently when I'm recording this video, it is version 29 I'm doing. Possible that when I'm sending the file to it could be any other version. 30, 35, 40, 50, it could be anything. So that is not a problem. All the file versions as of now work. When you open the file, it will show the update, don't update everything. Click don't update. So do not update anything. Just leave it. Do not update. Okay, click this into mark disclaimer. Okay, so once you come here, this is the way how it is done. What to do is here come to dashboard. This is the file where the prediction is done, actually output. So here you can see this place here negative for Bank Nifty. What the view is negative for this day, and this is the Nifty view for this day. So in case you want to go for any particular data, say for example 4th March 2022, type the date. Okay, now if this is a Friday and the view is negative, and we are getting the actual candles also. For getting the actual candles, we have to update the data. So this is the view. What is the based on the rules actually? We'll see how the rules are coming everything one by one. So in case every day, what you have to do is go to the data sheet and then here come down. As and when the market is completed, the closing of the market is done, you have to update the open, high, low, close, everything for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Let us example for the time being. Just I'm using here some data here. I'll just copy paste here, and here I'll mention here 38,000, 38,500, and 38,200, then 38,000 something like 37, 37, so 38,300 something like that. I mentioned here randomly. Okay, or I'll just here also I'll just take some data here and paste for this date, and then after that you just copy these formulas here and then paste here. So this is what you should do every day after the market close, taking the Bank Nifty open, high, low, close, so that we'll know the candle what is formed actually. When I click today, you'll be able to see the date for today. Today is 16th April, so you'll get the date. So this is not a trading day, so you can go for next day. It is going to Sunday, then next day you'll go to Monday. So we have already updated some data here. So that candle will come here. What happened on the day, you're able to see here actually. Okay, so the view is positive. So positive, the close will be something like the what are the view mentioned here is on the closing basis. Okay, that's the main important thing you should know. How to take a trade based on this also will come to see one by one. So we saw what you have to do everyday basis. Only you have to update the open, high, low, close for the day for Nifty, Bank Nifty on closing basis after market close. You can take the data by 7:30. So adjusted close will be available. What you do is go to this sheet called spot trade. There you'll be able to get this here rates for the current day. Actual rates automatically get updated. In case it's not getting updated, maybe it'll take 7:30, 8 o'clock in the evening. That time, by the time the data will be ready. For getting the Nifty rates, you type Nifty. For getting the Bank Nifty, you just type Nifty Bank. So you'll be able to get the rates for Nifty Bank. In case you're not getting here, you want to update immediately, click somewhere here or just click refresh rates. You'll be able to get the rates for the current day. So these two options are available. So both or any one of them you can get the rates here and then updating this for the day what rates are there for the Bank Nifty and Nifty. Now coming back to this, how to take the trade, we'll see. We'll take some example of one day, 5th April. Let me just take some date, 5th April. It's a Tuesday. Okay. So what happens is the backtest result I'll show you. Then we'll come to that also. So what happens? I have taken the backtest for almost 568 trading days, starting from 1st Jan 2020. So success means as per the view, we are getting a close in 60% of time, mostly 60% of time or 2/3 of time we get the close as per the view, expected view. So the view's expectations the negative means closing will be negative. 60% of time will happen. Is the probability. Then 30% of time or here Nifty 20% of time we are able to get a closing as per the opening itself. So what happens here after the opening getting the view, we might close also the same as per the view or we may close against the view. Both are possible. But most of the times when you get a closing in the opening, most of the times whatever market on trap and then you want to take the reverse position and come down actually. So it will be a fail after the opening. So if you're getting a success in the opening, then try to exit keeping a stop loss of the opening price. Okay, so always if you get a view against a view in the opening time, then there is chance that we are going to get the closing as per the view. So be ready for that next time. So totally, if you see for Bank Nifty, 90% chance that as per the view will be either in the opening or closing. So that is there. And minor fail means done 5% of time in the 568 trading days, only 30 times or 29 times only we are seeing a minor fail. It means that as per the view we are not getting either opening or closing, and during intraday also, so we are not even getting them. And the major fail means as per the view we are not getting the opening also, intraday also, closing also. Sorry. And then we are seeing a closing of more than 150 points against the view. We are expecting a negative view means the bank nifty closing 150 points above plus in the positive as compared to the previous day. So this is the backtest result. So this is the backtest done to get an idea for you on the conviction, just to how the financial strategy rules work. Okay, so what you do is every day after the market closing, so what you do here is 12th April data is there already. Now I wanted for next day for backtesting. This is the backtest data. I want to update every day, means what you do is here, then go to the next day. 13th April is there. What I will do here, 13th April data is there. Just to select all the data here, Control C, then paste special values. Okay, so again we'll go to the next date, Thursday. So it was not a trading day. So I'm sure everybody know about how to paste special values. Select everything, press Control C, and then come down, and then here right click here, paste special, then values. Okay, values is where is the values? Values, this one. Okay, select this. Okay, when you do this paste special values, everything will come with the formulas. Here you can see formulas are the, here will be getting pasted with the formulas. So this way you can get updation in the this backtest result actually. Okay, so this is what you have to do after every day, or you can do after 1 week also. It's up to you whether you want to track this or not. Now coming back to the rules, what and all is there and how it is being captured, we'll see that also. So this sheet matrix data, this contains all the rules actually, tables, very very important. Don't try to insert row, delete column, or something you change it, then everything will go for a toss. So don't try to play with this data. Be careful. If you have any child or somebody who have access to the computer, put a password to the file and then try to keep it safe. Don't try to allow anybody to access to this file actually, otherwise it can give a problem, because somebody changes, you do not know also what changes has been done. So these are the rules actually, one by one are there. So if you attended the class, astrology class, you will come to know what are the rules. Everything is given here. So there's so many rules. It may take just to go through the rules itself might take you several months. Okay, so don't bother about that. Everything is taken care. So the rules are mentioned here, and then coming to the data. This is where the data all captured, which is starting from, if you see the data is there starting from January 2009. So the data what I have done and verified is starting from 1st Jan 2020. So 10 years of data is there, but please you can ignore it for time being, because I'm in the process of doing verification, some back testing and all. So starting from 1st Jan 2020, and I have updated till 31st Jan 2023. Some is pending actually. I'll be updating it over a period of time. Nothing to worry. And then by end of the year, I'll be updating the data for the next year also. Means whenever the prediction data will be ready. If you bought the Excel dashboard without 2023, then you can get this data by October and November. You can reach me and I'll try to send you. It will not cost anything much actually. I'll be charging some nominal cost only, because the extraction of data takes so much of time. So I just made your life easy, so that it will be charged for some small amount for the energy what I spent. After that, you can see all the data is updated for each and every planet with degrees, nakshatra, and so on. Everything is updated here, so you do not bother about what is that all about. So I'll be adding you to a new channel called Astro Premium channel, Telegram channel. So I'll try to update there, and any updations for the Astro view prediction and all, I'll try to give you. In case you see a different view for what I'm giving for the next week, and then what you're having in Excel dashboard, if there is a different, you can reach me, and then I will send you the new file by end of the month. End of the month, you can reach me for a new file. If anything is there, I will share with you. That's not a problem. While sharing, while you want to get the new file, you have to send me the old file, so that I know that you have purchased the old file. Okay, so coming to the next point, there is a sheet called lunar eclipse there, based on the swing trading, which you can take based on the lunar cycle, which is a long cycle position. Shukla Paksha buying on a new moon and selling on a full moon, and Krishna Paksha buying on selling on a full moon and buying on new moon. So this is the way where you can use the Excel file to get the data. You can type any script name, and then you'll be able to know what is the outcome of this Bruno cycle swing trading, what is the profit you can make, and what is the profit you can make with the buy and hold strategy that you can know also. And other sheets are there. If you see, there is a sheet called backtest, actually backtest result, actually, where you can use a pivot table. This full data is available here. Using this data, you can just try to backtest in this sheet here, pivot table, if you know how to make a pivot table and do some testing. And don't try to add or delete anything for your safety purpose. Try to take a backup of the file and keep it so that it will be in safe this thing in your computer. And also zip the file, and you can keep it in OneDrive also, no problem. Save the file in D drive. Better if you don't have D drive, you can save in a C drive also. Create a folder in a C drive or something. I keep the file in the D drive, actually. D drive and Astrology, I mentioned keep it actually. So you can also keep the files like this so that it is safe. Don't open the file in the OneDrive, or don't open the file in the Google Documents. It will not work. Even in MacBook also, I don't suggest you opening the file. It may not work. So these are the all updations of what you should do, and how to handle the file, what are the contents, everything I explained you. So just understand, just go through the files, you'll be able to understand also. All the rules are here. What are the mentioned rules are mentioned here one by one with the ratings also. Percentage means it is a points, actually. Don't just ignore the percentage. It's a point system. So whatever the points are there for the day, you can see here for particular day. 215 points are there positive, negative points 88%. So positive points are more than the negative points. So the day can be a positive day losing. Then that's what we saw already, that backtesting what happens 60% of time close as per the view. And then you can see the views coming here already. For any future date also, if you want to know, like 15th May, I want to see for future date what is the view. It's a Sunday, so let us go to the next day. So 16th May is a Monday, and then your expectation is a view positive, and then 290 points is a positive, 140 is negative. So we expect the day to be a positive day. So, but ensure that 5 to 10% of time it may fail, and 90% success we are seeing. So the day, for example, if a particular day is showing positive and we saw a gap down, then ensure just to keep your mind that the day can be positive. So be ready for buying a call option. And for example, we see a gap down of 200 points, 300 points from yesterday's close. Keep the opening price as the stop loss for your, or trigger point for your position. For example, let us take something like previous month, 14th April, previous day, previous day, previous day. So this one, I think is a good example. So the view was positive here. Now what happens here? The price opened at 37,887, which is almost 140 points above the previous close. So the opening happened, which I told you 30% of time, you will try to get to the opening price. So as I told you, the opening price is Lakshman Rekha, and any positive views achieved already, your stop loss should be opening price. After the price started, it made a high of 37,989 also, almost 200 points above the previous day close. Once the price started going below the opening price, the problem started, and then started going below the price. After that, we got 400 points downside. So we got a positive view. If you're holding a position, also you can achieve the target. And if you're not holding a position opening price, then try to be buying a put option when the price goes below the opening price, because it has already achieved the target for the day as per the view in the opening. Now, once the price started going below the opening price, then you should look for buying a put option below the opening price start trading. Then you saw all the way 400 points gain, and we got by buying a put option in the money put option, seeing a 400 points move from this price. Being expiry day also, very good money could be made buying a put option. If you are option seller, you can sell a call option here at this opening price here, that is a 900 call option, and then you could make good money. So this is the way how you to take the trade based on the Astro view and the technicals, and then it's definitely a high probability trade only you will get, and definitely you can make good money over a period of time. Don't be greedy and take small profits. Even if you make 100 points per day, also very good profits. So target small but achieve big, no problem. Don't be greedy and don't get into the problem. Thank you so much for buying the Excel dashboard. Best of luck.